Hello everyone, in this episode I'm going to show you the top 5 best websites all scratchers should use. Okay, so let's proceed. Firstly we have is the Turbo Warp. So as you can see here, this is where all laggy scratch projects like this Rocket Sky here. This is quite a laggy project if you have been playing for a long time. So what you can do is take this project URL. Okay, and go to Turbo Warp and just paste the URL here. There you go. So once you paste it, you see it's loading and it will show this load project and it will be downloading the assets, which are all the sprites. Now since the Rocket Sky game has been loaded up, you can simply just play it here instead of using the normal scratch way. Okay. Secondly, we have the itch.io, which is where you can post all your latest games. As you can see many people making games here. You can search many like Tank, and you can play one of these games that you've seen, like these. Now on the Tank here, we can also click on it to play them. And sometimes you will see this download now. It means you have to download the game. And sometimes you have to pay them too. You can choose to pay them or not to pay them. Now let's see for this. Now if you can see here, this game called Tank Beyond Repair. So this game has been automatically made for you. So you can just click on Run Game and it will start loading the screen. Now you can click here the full screen button. So to play this game, you just have to use the WASD and the arrow keys to move. And C to make those tanks shoot. Then click this music button to show that you have no screen. And if you want to win, you have to not die due to your enemy's tank. Okay, now let's proceed on to the next website. So for the next website we have is the remove.bg website. So let's say if you have a image that needs to be removed background, you can just upload the image, or you can automatically just click Ctrl and V to paste the image or URL. So if you don't have an image, you can just click one of these to check them. Now you can see here, once you click on them, it will show over here the RemoveBG of it. You can also upload your own image. Let's say if you have the scratch word, you can just remove the background of it. And if you still want the white color, you can come to the edit here, erase/restore. You click on restore and change the brush size. So once you've done that, you just have to color the inside of the scratch word. Okay, so the fourth project we have is the forkphorus. So in here you can just run scratch projects like the previous Turbo one. You can just paste the link here and it will start to load. Once you've loaded, you can just click play. So this is an easy game here, but not like Turbo Warp here. You cannot go click on C inside, and you cannot do all the codes here. It's not the same as forkphorus is just for you to play the games here, if in case it's quite laggy. Okay, so last on the list, we have the kenny.nl/assets. This is a website where you can find all of your sprites. Like let's say if you're making a tanks game, you can just search over here tanks, and then it'll come out with these three infos. So if you look at this. If you want this, then you can just click on it and click on download here. Okay, if you want to donate to this or become a patron, you can click one of these. Okay. So once you've downloaded it, it will show this screen. Thanks for downloading. And you are free to use any assets in this project, personal or commercial. Okay. Although once you download it, it will be in a zip file, so you have to extract all the info out. And I really hope that you enjoyed these videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!